Hey team, so this is what we do. So if we want to update, say, the candidates, for example, we click on this little button here, which then says page. And when it loads up, we get a list of all the pages on here. So if we want to update the candidates page, for example, we'll just click on that little candidate button there. It'll then bring up this page, which you'll be able to see correlates to the page on the front end. So this, when it loads, awesome. So here we are. So in order to change the content on here, if you hover over the section that you want to change, you'll see this little edit text block button. If we click on that, it'll come up with like a WYSIWYG editor. So the same way that Word works, for example. So we've got this header here, which we've added in. We can just delete that and say this is a new header. The same way that it is with this. So this here is just link items or bullet points. If you want to add a new one, let's blah 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 blah. We'll just get rid. Simples. This just works the same way as Word. So if we didn't want to do that, we can just select what we want up here. So we want this to be H3. This is a new header. And it works all the way down like that. So if we want to center this, we just highlight the section we want, we center it. So that's just the same way that Word works with that. So that's quite a straightforward editor to use. And then all you do is save changes and either preview changes. So if you want to preview them before you publish them, we can press preview, or we can update, which then pushes it directly to live. That's right. Cool. If you wanted to change the header section, so this, for example, on each of the pages, there's a separate section, which is right down at the bottom. So if we did want to update this section at the top, we just scroll down the page, and we've got your options here. So we can change the header image, so we can remove upload something new from the media library, or we can just upload it directly from your computer, and just choose a new image. We can change the text of this, page header title, amazing candidates, and give it a subtitle as well. And then we just update, and that's that page updated. If you wanted to view this page, you can either click on this link here, or we can view page. And this here is now we're going to update with our new page. So we've got amazing candidates. This is subtitle. This is a new header. These are the things that we've added in. And it's the same with all of the other pages. So if we go back to all pages on here, you can edit every other page like this. The home page is a bit different. So when we load up the home page, we'll see loads of different style blocks when it finally loads. Awesome. So this here is a nectar slider. This here isn't actually managed within this page. There's a separate section called nectar slider up here on the left. And in here, you can manage your slides, adding new content, adding new images, and it will automatically be displayed in here, so you wouldn't have to touch it in anything but the nectar slider. If you wanted to change the content on the homepage itself, here we can see fancy box. So if I go to the homepage on here, and I scroll down, we've got these quick link sections here. So here we've got client, candidate, about us, job search. And this, as you can see, correlates here. So we've got client, about us, candidate, job search. If you wanted to change the text or the image in here, you just click on that little pencil icon when you hover over, and you can change the image, and you can change the text, and you can change the link. And it's as simple as that. So here we'll just change this image really quickly. we'll just put in that little spaceship taking off. Great news. And we'll put clients, we'll just put an S. And then we update, the same as we did before. So now if we go back to the home page, we'll see this is the new spaceship icon. When it finally loads, it might be a bit large. So now I've got the new spaceship icon in here and clients on the right. And that's it. It's